Store-bought gnocchi is a great staple to have in the fridge or freezer. It's great to bulk up a meal and it takes on punchy flavours really well. Today I'm going to be using it to make my baked gnocchi with chicken and red pesto, and it's all cooked in one pan in the oven. Preheat the oven to 200C or 400F fan. Now place 2 chicken breasts that have been chopped into small bite-sized pieces into a medium baking dish. Drizzle on a tablespoon of olive oil and then sprinkle on 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano. Toss it all together to coat the chicken evenly and then place in the oven to bake for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove from the oven, and then we're going to top with 60 grams, which is 2 packed cups of baby spinach, 120 ml or 1/2 cup of hot chicken stock. Then we're going to add 500 grams, which is about 17.6 ounces of fresh gnocchi. Spoon over 8 tablespoons of roasted red pepper pesto. You can check out my homemade recipe for this if you like. Now add a sliced red bell pepper, 60 ml or 1/4 cup of double or heavy cream, and a tablespoon of tomato puree or paste. Use 2 spoons to stir it all together so everything is evenly distributed. Now I've got 150 gram or 5.3 ounces of mozzarella, and I'm going to tear that up and place it all over the dish. Now place the dish back in the oven for a further 15 minutes until that chicken is cooked through and the sauce is bubbling at the edges. Serve topped with baby basil leaves and a sprinkling of black pepper. And there we go, that's my baked gnocchi with chicken and red pesto. Be sure to serve it up with plenty of crusty bread to soak up all that lovely sauce in the bottom of the dish. See you next time.